my channel, y'all know who it is. It's the Glam Princess, and today I am going to announce 2 more winners for the mirrored tile. Y'all, congratulations to the last 2 winners from Monday. This is Wednesday, so we got 2 more coming, y'all, and 2 more Friday. So today we are going to make a table. Well, it's going to be like a coffee table for my living room. Don't forget, y'all, I am glamming up my living room, and I'm going to do a tour soon once I get through with everything. So today we're going to make this table, and we're going to use this box. I think it's a 6-inch. I'm not for sure. I had to look on it. I forgot. And we're going to use our crystal bling diamond wrap. We're going to use these boxes that I got from, these from my old project. I got from Dollar Tree. This mirror, I got 2 of these from Lowe's, and they will cut the mirror for you. Also, the mirror towel back there, and I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna use some lights. I'm not for sure yet, because I really don't know what I'm doing, y'all. But, you know, of course, y'all can learn with me. Let's do it. We're gonna use some glue, a glue gun, and glue sticks. So, y'all, let's get to it. Okay, Glam fam, so I'm gonna take these lights, and I'm going to, like, border around the edges. And I'm hoping that this light that I purchased, I'm hoping it works. Okay, Glam fam, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these pieces of tile on the sides of the box, y'all. Okay, Glam fam, so I bought these mirrors from Lowe's. I had them cut. They would not fit, so I had to get two to go across the table. And also, I'm gonna use some E6000 and I'm gonna use some hot glue to adhere the mirror to the table. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how the table is coming out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of these strips and I'm gonna put on each side. I don't have enough to outline the whole entire table around because that's what I was planning on doing. But I will order some more from Amazon and I will complete it and I will probably show it in another video. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of this and take it to the ends like this. And then I'll come back and show you all how it looks. Okay, Glam fam, so check out our beautiful, gorgeous TV box turned into a table. Y'all, it absolutely looks gorgeous. Let's get it with the lights off, you know. Look at that. Y'all know that's cute. That is so gorgeous. I love it, I love it, I love it. So y'all just stay tuned for the next two winners of our giveaway.
I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this on God? Why you let me find her like this on God?